Welcome to our podcast, How to Check if Sage 50 Inventory Management is Working. Today, we will discover tips and tricks to verify if Sage 50 Inventory Management is working properly. We will learn more about Sage 50 Inventory Item Setup. We want to help you understand how the inventory type and general ledger accounts impacts your financials. Then we will discuss why reconciling inventory to the general ledger is so very important. There are easy steps to determine if Sage 50 inventory is functioning properly. The first item you need to verify is the inventory item class. If you care about how much inventory you are selling and how much profit you make per transaction per customer, then you must use stock item, master stock item, serialized stock item, assembly, or serialized assembly. Once an inventory item has been used in a transaction, this type cannot easily be changed without a great deal of effort. The second area that needs your attention are the following three fields: GL sales account, GL inventory account, and GL cost of sales account. These accounts help manage the journal entry when items are received from a purchase order or accounts payable invoices and increase the value of inventory on the balance sheet. When an item is sold, Sage 50 should deplete inventory, record the sales revenue and the cost of the item to the cost of sales account on the profit and loss statement, and finally create the customer open accounts receivable. Let's review the steps to balance the inventory to the general ledger. Step 1, print the general ledger trial balance as of a specified date or period end. Step 2, locate the inventory general ledger account on the balance sheet and look at the ending account balance. Step 3, print the inventory valuation report as of the same specified date or period end as the general ledger trial balance in Step 1 and look at the total value. Step 4, compare the general ledger inventory value from Step 1 to the total inventory valuation report from Step 3. This is the last step. Verify that the dollar value is the same between the inventory trial balance account and the inventory valuation report total. And if they agree, you are good to go. If the amounts are not the same, check that the right general ledger accounts are used on the items. Look to see if the items were set up as service or labor and should have been set up as stock. Check to see if there's a journal entry posted to the inventory general ledger account. Or are there inventory items that have a negative quantity on hand or cost? Get your free review to help determine if your Sage 50 inventory management is in balance if you need help. We also provide Sage 50 inventory management training classes. Thanks for joining us for this podcast, How to Check if Sage 50 Inventory Management is Working Properly.